Hi, hello.
Hi, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone, and good morning to all of you. Welcome back to
Morning,
online
sir.
classes. This
Good
is
afternoon, sir.
this morning HOD of Zoology. So now today we are going to discussing about. So I'm not wasting your time. Today we are going to discussing about. So may audible visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today we are going to discussing about a new topic that is very important topic. We'll asking from this Lavanya. What happened? Lavanya, tell me. Okay. Today we are going to discussing about the new topic from Protozoa. It is also very important for all competitive ways for your theory examination also. Okay. So that is the important question will come. That is reproduction in Protozoa. Padma, reproduction in protozoa. Reproduction in protozoa. Okay, so what is reproduction? Come on, tell me. Any idea? Anyone can say? Any idea, ma'am?
Producing
Fusion of male and female gametes.
Only one person to say. Salma, you can tell me.
Fusion of male and female gametes.
Fusion of male and female gametes. Okay, done. Thank you very much, Salma. Next one, everyone. Next.
producing offspring to the next
Producing new
generation.
generation.
Only one person. Only one person. Sandeep, tell me, beta.
Sir, producing offspring for the new generation.
Production of the new young ones, right? New generations, right? Thank you. Thank you, Sandeep. Swapna, tell me. Swapna,
Fusion of male and female gametes to give the offspring, form a new life, new generation.
okay. Thank you, Swapna. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, so we should consider all definitions are right. Excellent, right answer, right? Okay, so reproduction, nothing but simply the definition: production of new young ones or production of offsprings. Okay, from the parents. Okay, that is called what, ma? Reproduction. Okay, so reproduction what, ma? Production of new young ones. New young ones. Production of new young ones from the parents. Okay, from the parents. Okay, or one more definition also. Production of offsprings. But not production of offsprings. Production of offsprings. OFF offsprings. Say from the parents. From the parents is called what, ma? It is reproduction. Okay, this is one of the important for reproduction. So just now Sandeep said, okay. So production of new generations. Yes, it is right. Production of Swapna to say production of offsprings. Yes, it is right. Nandini to say production of new young ones. Right? So absolutely, your definition is absolutely right. So that is a level. I think your definitions are absolutely right. So concluded, the definition is okay. And Swapna and Sandeep, you must be mute, ma, please. You must be mute. Your mic is on. Your mic is on. It is disturbance to so many people, right? Sandeep, please, you must. Yeah, thank you, thank you very much. Right? See, this is a definition. So, production of new young ones from the parents or production of offsprings from the parents is called what? Reproduction. Actually, you know very well. I think already studied protozoan general characters. In protozoa, The reproduction, mainly two types of reproduction takes place. How many types now? In protozoa, reproduction. Okay, two types of reproduction takes place. How many types now? Two types of reproduction. One is, okay, one is ASR and the second one is SR. What is ASR, Sandeep?
Asexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction.
Very good, very good, very good, very good. Then after completion of your answer, you must be mute, ma. Okay. Saleha, Namira, Saleha. Done. Sandeep, thank you, ma. Thank you. So asexual reproduction. What beta? Asexual reproduction. Okay, asexual reproduction. Right? So SR nothing but what ma? Sexual reproduction. Okay, done. Now you can tell me the answer. Anyone can say the answer. Okay? Once again repeat. Production of new young ones from the parents, production of new offsprings from the parents, you know very well. Clear? But in protozoa, how many types of productions are there? Reproduction, two types are there. One is asexual reproduction, second one is sexual reproduction, right? So come on, tell me, anyone can see the dynamic answer? Namira, tell me beta, what is asexual reproduction? What is asexual reproduction? Sandeep, your mic is mute. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself and then say the answer. Sandeep, tell me beta. Your mic is unmute. Please unmute yourself and then say the answer.
Asexual reproduction does not involve fusion of gametes.
Ah, okay. Very good. Excellent answer. Okay. Done. Thank you. Thank you, Jabin. Sandeep, you can say what you are answer. Sandeep. Okay, you can unmute. Unmute yourself.
Reproduction without a function gametes is called asexual reproductions.
Who said? Tell me, ma.
Reproduction without the fusion of gametes is asexual reproduction.
Okay, very good, very good. Thank you, Sandeep. Thank you very much. Okay. So, asexual reproduction means what is the definition? What is the definition? Same. Production of new anguans or offsprings. Production of new anguans or offsprings. Okay. So, without fusion of the parent gametes. Without fusion of the parent gametes. What ma? Without fusion of the parents gametes. Okay, this is the asexual reproduction definition. Asexual reproduction definition. Okay, now. So just now Sandeep to say it, Jabin to say it, Miras to say it. Okay, right? What now? Without fusion of parent gametes, simple. The production of new young ones, production of offsprings. Okay, so without fusion of parent gametes is called what ma? Asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. Understood the definition? Understood the definition? Okay. Varalakshmi, Nandini, Ardhamainda, that make concept okay? Hello, Sandeep. Okay, done. Thank you. Thank you. Next.
Done, sir.
What are the definition? Shall I rub this board?
Done, sir.
Okay. So this is the definition is complete, right? Now, what is the sexual reproduction? What is the sexual reproduction? Right? So, can you expect production of new young ones or offsprings? Okay, from the fusion of parent gametes. Parent gametes, right? See what now? Production of new young ones. Production of new young ones from the what happened now? So fusion of parent gametes. This is a definition of. Okay, so production of new young ones or production of new offsprings from the fusion of parent gametes is called what ma? Sexual reproduction, right? So that is very important. So that is a difference between asexual without fusion of production of new young ones or offsprings. Okay, so from the without fusion of parent gametes. So here parent gametes are not involved. Here parent gametes are involved. Okay, so that is very important. Clear? Okay. Next, that is a difference between asexual and sexual reproduction definition. Now, I would like to take one flow chart also then. What is sexual reproduction? Okay. See, asexual reproduction, what are the so many types of it? Asexual reproduction, so many types of it. What are the types? One is binary fusion. Okay, binary fission. Binary fission. Okay. Next, multiple fission. Multiple fission. Okay. Next. Okay. Plasmatommy. 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 Okay, plasmatommy. Right. Next. Next what? So budding. Budding. Okay, that is the one of it. Budding, by budding process. Last one, sporulation.
Fragmentation.
Okay, yes. Sporulation. Fragmentation actually is there in the fungi. So just like fragmentation means so breakdown of the this. This is important about the asexual reproduction. Clear? What are those? Come and tell me. What are those? One is binary fission. One is multiple fission. One is plasmatommy. One is budding. One is sporulation. Right? Clear? Now, coming to the point. See, binary fission. What is binary fission? You must write in the flow chart. Flow chart. What type of binary fission is? Simple binary fission. Simple binary fission. Example, amoeba. Example, amoeba. Transverse binary fission. Transverse binary fission. Can I expect? I think you already studied intermediate level. Okay, intermediate level. Transverse binary fission. That is example. What it is?
Paramecium. Paramecium, sir.
Very good. Excellent. Okay. That is paramecium. Paramecium. Next. Okay. Next, one more time is there here. Right? Longitudinal. Here, what ma? Longitudinal binary fission. Longitudinal binary fission. Can you expect this one?
Euglena.
Very good, very good. Okay, Euglena is there. This is what ma? Flagellus are there. This is called Euglena. This is what ma? Euglena. Okay, next. One more binary fission example is there. That is, so you know very well. Like, so these are the there. That is obligated. This is oblique extension. Obligatory binary fission. Right. So what are the examples? Okay, can you expect that one? Okay, that is Seratium. What ma? Seratium. C-E-R-A-T-I-U-M. Seratium. Okay, Seratium. These are the binary fission examples. We'll explain in detail one by one, very short. So binary fission example is completed. Tell me, what are the examples of simple binary fission? Example what? Samira.
Amoeba, sir.
Transverse.
Paramecium.
Paramecium.
Next, longitudinal.
Paramecium.
Euglena.
Obligatory.
Obligate. Seratium. Seratium.
Okay. Thank you very much for your kindly response. Thank you. Okay. You must be mute yourself. Aparna, you must be mute, ma. Right. See, this is a binary fission. Okay. And multiple fission. What is a multiple fission? What are the examples of multiple fission? Okay. So here, multiple fission examples takes place in plasmodium also. What ma? Plasmodium. In schizogony, gamogony. Okay. So in plasmodium stages, different stages are there. The life cycle, that is schizogamy. Schizogamy or gametogamy. Schizogamy takes place in asexual life cycle. Okay. Gametogamy takes place in sexual life cycle in plasmodium. Remembering once again, repeat. Schizogamy, okay, it takes place asexual life cycle, okay, in plasmodium, okay, and gametogamy, sexual life cycle. This is the same. Whatever multiple fission takes place. So, what is multiple fission? What are the examples are that we are discussing now? Next, plasmatommy. Plasmatommy example. What are the plasmatommy example? Okay, plasmatommy example, opalina. What ma? Opalina. Clear? Opalina. O-P-A-L-I-N-A. Opalina. Clear? So this is an example of opalina. Okay now. So that is plasma. Now, budding. Very well. So in flowchart, mainly, okay. Exogenous budding was there. Exogenous budding. Exogenous budding. The budding process takes place outside the body. We'll explain later in detail. Exogenous budding means what, ma? The budding takes place outside the body. We'll explain that. Don't bother. Just we are discussing flow chart. If you know the flow chart, you should write the essay question very easy. If you know the flow chart, so any entrance level, you must be, they can ask you any bit tough, any tough question, you must put the right answer. Okay, that's why I am saying that flow chart. Exogenous budding, example, AP lota, AC lota, AP lota, AC lota. Okay, AP lota, API LOTA, AP lota, ECI LOTA, AC lota, AC lota. So this is a important about the exogenous budding examples. Next, endogenous budding. Endogenous budding. Endogenous budding. Endogenous budding. Okay. The example, very familiar example is there. That is, okay, none other than, nothing is. Suctorians. What ma? Suctorians. Suctorian means SUPORIAN is suctorians. Okay. This is the completely reproduction in production. Right? Sometimes ask the question. What question? What is reproduction? Describe the sexual reproduction. Sorry. Asexual reproduction in protozoa. We'll ask in long question. What is reproduction? Describe the sexual reproduction in protozoa. That is also long question. Sometimes we'll ask it to describe the reproduction in protozoa. Describe reproduction in protozoa. That's why you must be know the flow chart. You must be know the flow chart. Clear? So if it is know the flow chart, example, you will get nearly 70% marks. 70% marks. Remaining just let lines, write 1 point, 1 line, and example, 1 line, example of diagram. You will get a good answer, right? So this is the asexual reproduction flow chart. Okay? So binary fission, multiple fission, then plasmatomy, budding, and one more example is there. What ma? One more is there, what ma? Sporulation. What beta? Sporulation example. Sporulation example. Okay. That is amoeba. What ma? Amoeba. Amoeba. Which example? Amoeba is the example for the sporulation. So you can raise one doubt. You can raise one doubt in the flowchart. Sir, you already given the amoeba example in simple binary fission. Simple.
Yes, sir.
Okay, simple binary fission, right? But you also given in this sporulation also you given. So what, sir? Why you given these two examples in the same species, right? Remembering one thing, that is a fantastic question asked in the entrance level, right? So amoeba binary fission takes place in favorable condition. Amoeba simple binary fission takes place in what beta? Favorable condition. FC means what ma? FC means what? Favorable condition.
Favorable condition.
That means so all resources are there. Get ready for the production of new egg worms by the favorable condition. Whereas sometimes amoeba facing unfavorable condition also because of there is no water. There is no water. If the water is there, the favorable condition. if the optimum all water resources are there, food resources are there, they can produce their young ones by the binary fission. That is a favorable condition. But whereas in unfavorable condition, the amoeba facing unfavorable condition also, right? So unfavorable, but there is no water, there is no water food, there is no that means environmental resources properly, right? In that condition, this amoeba takes place sporulation process. But my sporulation process also. Okay, that is one of them. And one more example also there. Plasmodium also there. Plasmodium also takes place. One of the what happened, ma? The sporulation examples. This is the asexual reproduction. Okay, so you know, remembering one thing. After completion of this class, you must be say the flow chart. I will ask whether you know the flow chart. Example, so there was 70% work completed. Coming to the point, sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction, whatever, sexual reproduction flow chart. Simple, right? What are the sexual reproduction? What are the sexual reproduction? Flow chart is there. 5 minutes I will. Okay. What are the sexual reproduction? Right? See, shall I rub this one? Okay. Right?
Okay, sir.
Those who are you show your notes also. Some people yesterday already said I'm not maintaining the notes, sir. I want running notes. But slowly, I'm saying
Okay, sir.
it's a fantastic idea. Whether daily you must be progress, this type of phenomena, you will get 100% result. Okay, now, right? That is very, very clear. Now, see sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. See, intersexual reproduction. What are the examples? Right. Number one, syngamy. Number one, syngamy. So, this is one of the examples. Syngamy, example, Plasmodium also. Plasmodium also. Plasmodium, example, Varalakshmi. Okay, Plasmodium. You are seeing the okay, right? Mukim, what happened to that? Any other problem? Mukim, no problem?
చిన్నగా రాస్తున్నారు సార్ అంత
Okay, పెద్దగా రాస్తా. Right? So, okay. Plasmodium. Okay, plasmodium. Now visible? Single, completed. Next,
Okay, sir.
Conjugation. Okay, conjugation. Right? Conjugation. Example. Paramecium. Paramecium. Okay. And Verticellars. Verticella. You already studied in intermediate level. Verticella. Okay. Verticella. Clear? Next. Okay. Next one. Endomixis. Okay. Endomixis example. PA means conjugation. Paramecium, one species are there. Conjugation, Piscima. PC means one species. PC means Paramecium caudatum. PC means what? Paramecium caudatum. Paramecium caudatum. This is about the combination. Here also paramecium, here also. What is the difference here? You can ask a question. Okay, remember it. Paramecium aurelia. What na? Paramecium aurelia is endomyxis. Next. Okay, next one more. Okay, that is autogamy. What na? Autogamy. Autogamy. This is the example. PA means
Paramecia aurelia.
Very good, Swapna. Thank you very much. Paramecium aurelia. Remember one thing. Paramecium aurelia. Next. Last one. Hemixis. Hemixis. Right? That is results of paramecium aurelia. Okay. So this is a very important about the. This is a how many types of.
board clear అనిపిస్తలేదు.
Amma?
Board clear
Santoshi, what ma?
Sir, board clear. Yeah, sir.
See ma? Sexual reproduction. Marchpeta definition. Marchpeta. You forgot the definition. Gayatri, tell me what is the definition of sexual reproduction?
Production of new young ones.
What? Production of new?
Young ones without fusion of gametes.
Involvement of
No, that is not right answer.
Young ones offerings from the fusion of parent gametes.
నేను చెప్పాను కదా. So from I already told in the beginning definitions. After completion of this flow chart, you forget that. Marchipotadu. So kabatti remembering one thing. So this is a big flow chart. So just as in visualization in your brain. So what are these? Right? So I would like to see what, for example, reproduction. One is asexual reproduction. Second one, sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, what are the? Number one, binary fission. Number two, multiple fission. Number three, what? Plasmatomy. Number three. Number four, what? Budding. Number five, sporulation. Okay, sporulation. Binary fission. Simple binary fission, amoeba. Transverse binary fission, paramecium. Binary fission, euglena. So then, obligatory binary fission, serratia. Okay, you must be note that type of knowledge. Just visualization. Don't see your notes. Don't see the boards. Okay, just imagination. Yes. Okay. Binary fission completed. Then
Multiple fission.
multiple fission. Multiple fission example what?
Plasmodium.
Okay, in asexual reproduction takes place of 5 plasmodium. Zygogony takes place. Sexual reproduction takes place of plasmodium. That is gamma gamete takes place. Multiple fission completed. Plasmatom. Example what? Plasmatom example Opalina.
Opalina.
Next, budding. Budding mainly two types are there. One exogenous budding, endogenous budding. Exogenous budding what? Exogenous budding, Acylota, Epilota, Acylota.
Epilota, Acylota.
Okay. Next, endogenous. That means what? Endogenous budding, that is Suctorians. And last, sporulation. Amoeba, unfavorable condition. Plasmodium, okay, that is takes place in okay, that is a sporulation, unfavorable condition. Okay, next sexual reproduction. Number one, syngamy, example Plasmodium, that means paramecium chordatum, verticella, and next one. So next endomyxis, Plasmodium aurelia, ectodermy, Plasmodium aurelia, hemixis, Plasmodium aurelia. Okay, so these are all the important flow chart. Okay, now so very important thing. Just to all of you, just to 1 minute. I would like to give 1 minute time. Just imagine I would like to ask a question. The people to be say the answer. Right? ఒక్కసారి చూసుకోండి. సార్ చూసుకోండి, విజువలైజేషన్ చేసుకోండి. Okay. I will have to open chart box. Get ready for chart box. Okay, get ready for chart box. Okay, I would like to ask the question: who said the dynamic answer in chart box? Who said the dynamic answer in chart box? Right? Okay, so come on, tell me. Sherasham takes place which binary fission? Don't see the notes. In chart box, I am asking about chart box. Thank you, Gayatri. Don't hi, hello. Don't say that obligatory. Yes, Mahalakshmi. Very good. Touching. Very good. Next. Okay. Salma, obligatory binary fission. Very good. Next. I want dynamic answer. Okay. Santoshi. Very good. Obligatory. Nice. Very good. Next.
Obligatory, sir.
Okay, done. I am asking about chart box. You must be trained in the chart also. Chart type cheyali. Okay. Next, I want only these guys are there. Gayatri, Mahalakshmi, Tajin, Salma, and Santosh is there. Gayatri, okay, obligator. Okay, done. Thank you. Aparna, obligator. Nice, very good. Fine, obligatory. Very good. Mukim, very good. Very good. Fantastic. Okay, done. Only these guys are there. Okay, Didi, very good. Okay, now stop it. Stop it. Okay, Nandini, very good. Obligatory. Now stop it. I would like to one. Yes, Anusha, very good. Obligatory. Okay, done. Sandeep, good. What happened, Sandeep? You sent to private. Okay, obligatory. Thank you. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you for your responding. And one more question.
Obligatory.
One more question. I ask the question. Okay. Get ready for chart box. Get ready for chart box. So amoeba. Okay, amoeba, it takes place. Okay, to produce new ones, two processes are there. One is simple binary fission, and second one is what happened, ma? Second one is correlation. Why? Why? I want answer. Namira, tell me. Mukim's correlation. Okay.
In favorable condition, binary fission. In unfavorable condition, sporulation takes place in amoeba.
Okay, very good, Swapna. Thank you, Swapna MJC. Favorable, Swapna. Oh, unfavorable condition, favorable condition. Okay. So right, Madhuri, thank you. Varalakshmi, thank you. Pare, thank you. Okay, Santoshi, very nice. Okay, you must say the both answer, ma. For example, amoeba takes place in binary fission in favorable condition. Amoeba takes condition, that is just correlation process. You must say that as a type of answer. Swapna said right answer. Santoshi, favorable. Okay, favorable condition, simple binary fission. Right. What about correlation? Okay. Okay, Aparna, thank you very much. Wow, super. So that's why you are the legend student of the Krishna Sir, right? So fantastic response is there. Thank you very much. This type of dynamism I want. Okay, we should rock it the subject. So don't go to Buddy and just visualize NLP method. NLP method, neuro-linguistic method. Just imagination of diagram, visualization, flowchart, and write the answer. Just listen the class. Then after, just listen the class. Then after, you should take write the notes. You are from your own brain. Don't take a Xerox copy from others. Right? That is called visualization. How much knowledge you gain from this class? How much knowledge you gain? That is called subconscious mind. Whatever the affirmation to give to your brain, the affirmation to take the our brain. Okay, will give positive results. If it is you are thinking, I don't know sir, నాకు రాదు sir అంటే मेरे मत आते sir, वो मत आते, मेरे नहीं आते, वो नहीं आते, या आते सबकॉन्शियस माइंड के वो जरूर आते, ठीक है? So this is a wonderful method of neuro linguistic method, NLP method, just to visualization. Clear? Okay. So this is a today class. Thank you. The time is completed. So tomorrow we'll meet. So this is Krishna, HOD of Zoology, signing out.
Happy New Year, sir.
Oh, thank you.